This is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain how to download and how to install Eclipse software. First of all, open Google, type here Eclipse download, enter. Here first link only appears, eclipse.org. It is the official website for downloading Eclipse software. Click on this hyperlink. Just scroll down here. Get Eclipse IDE 2020 September. Download 64-bit. It is the latest version of Eclipse IDE. It is available for 64-bit operating system only. First of all, you need to check whether your operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit before downloading this file. To check whether operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit, open File Explorer. Here, right click on this PC. Here, click on Properties. Then it shows System Type 64-bit operating system. See, your operating system is 64-bit. Then you can click on this Download 64-bit button. If your operating system is 32-bit, then click on Need Help hyperlink. Here, just scroll down. It shows more downloads. Eclipse 4.10 onwards up to 4.17 Eclipse software available for 64-bit operating system only. If you want to download Eclipse software for 32-bit operating system, you click on 4.9, 4.8, 4.7, 4.6 or older versions. But 4.10 onwards up to latest version, Eclipse software not available for 32-bit operating system. If you want to download Eclipse for 32-bit, click on 4.9. Then it shows here Mac OS 64-bit, Windows 32-bit, 64-bit, Linux 32-bit, 64-bit. Now you can click on this hyperlink. If your operating system is 64-bit, then instead of clicking on this hyperlink, you can click on latest version 4.17. See, click on 4.17. Now here, it is a Eclipse installer. Now here, click on 64-bit for Windows. Then it shows here download from. This is China version. You can select India version also. Say select another mirror. Click on this hyperlink. Then it shows here India. Click on this one. Now it is going to be downloaded. Installer. This is Eclipse installer for Windows 64-bit operating system. It is a latest version of Eclipse IDE. Latest version is 4.17. This version released on 16th September 2020. See here, it is going to be downloaded. After downloading, we can install. See, here almost downloaded. After downloading, we have to click on Show All button here. Then it shows where it is downloaded. It is downloaded in Downloads folder. Directly you can go for downloaded folder. Otherwise, you can click on show all button. See here, downloaded. Now I'll click on show all button here. Then it shows here Eclipse installer for Windows 64-bit operating system. It is downloaded. Now you can click on show in folder. Then it is redirected to downloads folder. Otherwise you can open File Explorer here, downloads you can click, then it shows. To install this software, just double click on this icon, click on run button, then installer is going to be installed. It is the latest version of Eclipse IDE for Windows 64-bit operating system. Now it is going to be installed. You need to wait some time. See, Eclipse installer is going to be opened. Then it shows list of options. Here first one, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Second one, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers. This first one supports Java SE applications only. The second one supports Java SE and Java EE applications. That's what, better to go for second one, Eclipse IDE for Java enterprise Java developers. Double click on this one. Now by default it is going to be installed in this location. If you want to change the location, click on this icon, you can change the location. If you want to install in default location, just click on install button. See, I'm going to install in default location. Just I'll click on install. Just here click on accept now button. Now it is going to be installed. I selected Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java developers. This one supports Java SE applications and Java EE applications. So you can write core Java programs, you can write advanced Java programs, you can write Java EE enterprise applications also. So it is going to be installed. It is a latest version of Eclipse IDE for Windows 64-bit operating system. Now click on launch button. Now it is going to be opened. So the installation process successfully completed.